Hello and welcome. This is Devanshi Shah and you're watching It's Tomorrow News. Severe condition in US continues by the winter storm Juno, causing lots of damages in Massachusetts, New England and Connecticut areas of US. Hurricane winds brought heavy snow and coastal flooding in most of the region of Massachusetts. One person was reported dead and washed away many homes. The worst hit city was Lunenburg, which received record-breaking snow of 36 inches with a wind speed of 75 miles per hour. Wester and Framingham of New England received 34.5 inches of snow, while Boston Airport received 24.6 inches of snow. Many parts of Connecticut also received snow as high as 33.5 inches. Houses were covered with snow and frost layer. Almost 30,000 houses were without power. Massachusetts is still without power today, and a travel ban remains in effect for some of the hardest affected areas. Schools, many universities and most government offices still remain closed, and crew people work to clear up snowfall. Even more than 4 feet of snow is expected, and conditions can be worse on coming Sunday and Monday. That's all for now. For more updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Devanshi Shah.